Welcome to Revit Hub. So today I'm going to share another Revit tips and tricks how to use Revit selection base filter. So Revit has two options like rule based filter and another one is selection based filter. So when the rule based filter is not work in any condition, then you can use this selection based filter. So let's start the video. So those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel Revit Hub. So first I have already placed some lighting fixture over here in this floor plan. Now if your rule based filter is not working properly, that time you can use the selection based filter. For that you need to select the element you want to add in your filter. So here I have selected these 4 lighting fixtures, and then you will see here save selection option. So just click on the save button, provide a name of your filter as I have mentioned like sample, then press OK. Now your selection set has been created in Revit. Now go to the filter, visibility graphics, and then filter, then add. You will get the sample filter under this selection based filter. Now select this sample filter and OK. Now you can add the color as per your requirement, patterns, whatever patterns you want, you can add to that particular filter. Now to edit this filter, if you want to add more items to this filter, just go to the manage tab, and then here you will see a selection area over here. You just need to edit this one, then sample filter, select the filter, then edit, and from here you can add or you can remove from this, and now select on the finish selection. Now OK, your filter is now ready to use. Thank you.